Oh my God, oh my God, oh my holy God. Hi guys, Stephen R. Ford from I Ford Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. Next project. As you can see behind me, some of this project has been to chop some of the overgrown branches. That's tree that I've been promising to cut, that's dead, that's coming down also. Just part of the project, part of the exercises. Keep me stay focused. Creating fortunes, it's about doing something when you got a bit of a spare time. So at the same token, part of the process was build a path for the wife for her garden. As you can see, it's already grown. Now the next project that I'm looking at is this bit here, which I'm going to start today. This project, it's really to dig all most of this. So as we begin our excavation, one spade at a time. Yes, it may sound a bit crazy, but there are things in life you just couldn't do. Get the spade, put a sweat into it. Don't forget that. Bit of sweat, it's not going to kill you. Great exercise. And of course, good for the health. Overburden or the soil. As you can see here, there's a path. But that's all wasted area that we could use. So if I can dig all this area out, of course, hiring an excavator is probably the easiest way to do so. But I need some exercise, and before I can get that excavator or digger, I might even buy my own digger, do it myself. That's part of exercise, therapeutic process. It's something to do. I'm 66 at the moment, and creating fortunes with what we have right at this point of time is crucial. Don't wait till you're 66 before you decide to do some of your own projects. Just get on with it. So by starting what I'm starting here now, you can only see the progress in the near future as I post more videos. Come and join us, creating fortunes for the future. It allows us to have a drive all the way down the back here. Now let me show it to you. Notice all the compost and all the leaves. I'm going to collect them and use them on our garden. Now of course this big tree, Pohutukawa tree here, has produced a lot of this natural compost that I can save and, like I said, use in the garden. Another perfect scenario of picking up some great fortunes just by doing a bit of excavation. And you notice this nice, beautiful, fertile soil for the garden. Now this is a path that's lower than this wasted piece of land. We could use it for something, but to me it's just a wasted piece of land. If I can start digging it out, like excavating it, it allows to then shift these two units out of the way and bring in what it's called a drive. Then you create a driveway all the way down the back of this house, and hopefully in the near future, as part of the planning. Oh, who's this? Hello. Oh, part of the plan, of course, is to develop this area, because it's just wasted of area that can be productive. Once all this is all gone, of course, tree roots are some of the obstacles of this excavation, because of this big huge Pohutukawa right next to it. So my way of dealing with this process is get a good axe and just hack the heck out of it. Heck out of the roots. And basically that's how you deal with any of the roots. It allows us to get access to this big beautiful yard at the back. This big Pohutukawa is going to come down because it's starting to be growing too much over the neighbors, because we got a native at the back there anyway. That's a native there. But this is the native. And if we take the Pohutukawa out of the way, this is massive. It allows us then to build a drive all the way down the back here, and probably utilize this area at the back for another residential area, or could be a garage. It's a big area here that's just wasted, but it can be turned into something productive, of course. So that's the plan. That's going to give me a bit of sweat wheelbarrowing this lot. I'm not going to wheelbarrow every single one of it, but I'm going to start with a wheelbarrow for now. Start wheelbarrowing all that dirt and dumping it somewhere near this wheelbarrow is, which create this other area here. It's an extra garden. I'll probably extend this garden over this side. So what's the point? Creating fortunes for the future. This is part of that creation. You got to be creative with what you do with what you have. And this is our, family property that I'm going to turn into something productive. Whether it be a garden or probably a garage, working garage that you can come and pond along here, or another residential area, of course. But these are areas that if it's not utilized, it's costing us as a family money. So a bit of development, a bit of starting point creates fortunes for the future. But in the meantime, do subscribe to my YouTube video. Keep in touch with my YouTube videos. We're going to be doing some great exciting development in the near future, and I'm going to hopefully record most of them. But subscribe to my YouTube video. Join some of these links that I posted down below my video here. They're all to do with creating fortunes for the future using cryptocurrency. Try it. I'm not guaranteeing everything, but when you do, build your account. Don't try and make withdrawal, because that's just a waste of time. Build the account, and you'd be surprised how much compound interest from all the daily profits can take your account from where it is to where you hope to be, your big numbers. This is Stephen I-Ford from I-Ford Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. We love you. God loves you. See you in my next video. Bye for now.